New Testament reading. Take heed therefore unto yourselves and to all the flock, over the which the Holy Ghost hath made you overseer, to feed the church of God, which he had purchased with his own blood. For I know this, that after my departing shall grievous wolves enter in among you, not sparing the flock. Also of your own selves shall men arise, speaking perverse things, to draw away disciples after them. Therefore watch, and remember that by the space of 3 years I cease not to warn every one night and day with tears. And now, brethren, I commend you to God and to the word of his grace, which is able to build you up and to give you an inheritance among all them which are sacrificed. May the Lord add a blessing to the reading, hearers, and doers